Could a cure for diabetes be closer than we think? Watch till the end to find out. For millions of people around the world, diabetes is a daily struggle. Managing blood sugar, monitoring what they eat, and keeping a close eye on their health have become a way of life. But here's the exciting part. Scientists are making breakthroughs that could change everything. Could a cure for diabetes be closer than we think? Let's find out. 1. Current treatments for diabetes right now. Managing diabetes is all about controlling blood sugar. For type 1 diabetes, patients need insulin therapy because their bodies can't produce insulin on their own. For type 2 diabetes, lifestyle changes and medications are key, although sometimes insulin is still necessary. But none of these options are a cure. They just manage the symptoms. So while we've come a long way in diabetes management, there's still a long road ahead. But what if there was a way to fix the root of the problem? That's where new research comes in. Breakthrough number 1. Stem cells. One of the most exciting breakthroughs is in stem cell therapy. Scientists are working on regenerating insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. And in 2021, a major milestone was reached. Stem cell-derived insulin-producing cells were successfully transplanted into people with type 1 diabetes. For my subscribers, I hope you have watched the video I shared about this therapy. Some patients saw dramatic improvements, and the need for insulin injections was reduced significantly. If this research continues to succeed, stem cell therapy could give people with type 1 diabetes the ability to produce insulin naturally again. Next up is gene editing, specifically using a technology you may have heard of, CRISPR. This revolutionary tool lets scientists make precise edits to genes. For diabetes, it means potentially fixing the genetic causes of the disease. For type 1 diabetes, researchers hope to reprogram the immune system so it stops attacking insulin-producing cells. And for type 2 diabetes, they're looking at correcting the genetic factors that contribute to insulin resistance. This could be a game changer. Technology is also leading the way in diabetes treatment with the development of artificial pancreas systems. These systems automatically monitor blood sugar and deliver insulin in real time, just like a healthy pancreas would. If you're liking it so far, hit that like button. While this isn't a cure, it significantly improves quality of life. Imagine a future where managing diabetes is as simple as wearing a small device, with no need for constant injections or monitoring. These systems are getting closer to reality every day. Another promising area of research is islet transplantation. The islets of Langerhans in the pancreas are responsible for producing insulin. In people with type 1 diabetes, these cells don't function properly. Researchers are working on ways to transplant healthy islet cells into patients, which could restore insulin production. This procedure is still in its early stages, but it's showing promise. The goal is to make it widely available without the need for immune suppression. So, could a cure for diabetes be closer than we think? With groundbreaking advancements in stem cell therapy, gene editing, artificial pancreas technology, and islet transplantation, the future is looking bright. We may not be there yet, but we're certainly moving in the right direction. So stay informed, stay hopeful, and keep watching for the next big breakthrough. Subscribe to stay updated on diabetes research, and share this video with anyone affected by diabetes. Together, we can spread hope. What treatments are you or a loved one using to manage diabetes? Share in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates on the latest in diabetes research and health.